Well, this video's late as fuck. 100,000 subscribers. That's a huge milestone, but I'm gonna try to address this in a calm, mature, collected way.
Woo!
It's a milestone that I have been working towards for quite a while. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I never thought that this channel would develop into this. When I started it back in May or April of 2015, I really didn't have any particular goal. At the time, I knew that I wanted to do tech videos. I loved technology. I loved filmmaking and video production. And really all that this channel started out as was a hobby, something that I was doing on the weekends and over the summer. And obviously it has gone a lot further than I ever could have imagined. And I'm really, really astounded, grateful, and amazed. It took me a year to get 100 subscribers. It took me another year after that to get 1,000. I wasn't really doing YouTube with any regularity or any schedule or any particular content theme. And that all changed in the late summer of 2017. The video that kind of kicked off this whole crazy experiment on YouTube was my brother was looking to buy a MacBook and he didn't have a ton of money to spend on it, so I went on eBay and found an early 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro that had a dead hard drive. So we replaced the hard drive with an SSD, replaced the optical drive with a mechanical hard drive, and sort of created a fusion drive out of those two. And I made a video on it. Looking back on it, it's not a very good video, but that was the first video that I've had, major success, and I saw channel growth, sub growth, view count, stuff like that. And I sort of went, okay, maybe I can continue to do stuff like that. I've always been interested in Apple products, but I didn't have a particular direction of my channel at the time. Anyway, fast forward, here we are today, and the reason that I'm doing this video late is because I was waiting for this. I asked you guys on YouTube in the community post and on Twitter to ask me some questions, and so I'm gonna answer those. All right, so the first question, kind of similar to what we were talking about, why did you choose to focus your channel on Macs? Are you planning in the future to expand your channel to other systems topics? Basically, I chose Macs because the YouTube algorithm decided. I've always loved Macs, make no mistake, and they've been my computer of choice for years. But basically, after that MacBook Pro video, I made other Mac content and it started working and I was happy making it, and that's basically just what happened. What is your main MacBook and iMac? Well, obviously I use a lot of different iMacs and MacBooks and I'm constantly rotating, but at the moment I am using the 16-inch MacBook Pro. That thing is fantastic. The keyboard is excellent, the cooling, the graphics are excellent. And as far as my main iMac, if you saw my last video, the iMac Pro, which is unbelievable. Next question, do you normally use a Windows machine for anything? You just seem extremely Mac. So I guess you could consider me an Apple fanboy by the generic definition, but I have nothing against Windows. I have a PC just out of frame, my gaming PC that I use all the time. I don't make content on PC stuff because it doesn't really do very well for me. I'd like to. I have nothing against PCs and I use Windows all the time. It's just for my day-to-day workflow and for video stuff especially, I'm a Mac OS user. It's just personal preference. Noah Rubin asks, do you have any other YouTube channels that you started before this one? Yes, I have 3 other YouTube channels, at least. I don't upload to them actively, but I have had in the past 2 main YouTube channels that didn't really go anywhere, and it was not meant to go anywhere really. It was basically just a repository for videos I was making. The first one was a Lego stop motion channel that I had when I was in middle school. Maybe at 1 million, I'll reveal what those old channels were. Okay, so let's take a break from questions for a second, and I want to open up this box because I'm dying to see what's inside it. I'm actually really excited right now. I've never seen an unboxing of one of these before. I know they're not that crazy or special or anything, but I've just never seen an unboxing and I'm very curious. Whoa. We've got this nice protective foam. Look at that. This is a very nice bit of cardstock here. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. No, are you kidding? No way. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Let's pull it out. This is a big moment for me. Woo! 100,000 subscribers. It's very reflective. Trying to get the camera in frame. Oh, there it is. I have to figure out somewhere to put this. I can't really put a picture frame because my walls are brick. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. Is there, in your opinion, any chance at all to see AMD CPUs in Macs? Also, will there be a new 11 to 12-inch MacBook, or did they kill it for good to promote the iPads? No and yes. There's no way we're gonna see AMD CPUs, but an ARM MacBook is coming. Mark my words, it's gonna happen. Ozzy asks, how do you balance school and YouTube? Great question. And yeah, I am in school. I go to American University. I'm a junior. And basically, I just do YouTube whenever I'm not doing schoolwork. How do you fund your videos? Do you have a job other than YouTube? I fund my videos with YouTube. That's my only source of income. I'm a student, so YouTube equals YouTube, pretty much. Here's an interesting one. How many MacBooks do I even have? You know, I'm not sure. Why don't we do a count? Right, well, there's 2 over there, 2 over there, and then in the back over here, we've got, there's 4, 3, 2, and then there's 2 more over there, so 15. When did you start making YouTube videos? My first YouTube video was uploaded on August 31st, 2010, so 10 years ago, almost. When did you buy your first Mac, and what Mac was it? Well, my first Mac that I bought with my own money was a late 2011 13-inch MacBook Pro Core i7 that I got refurbished for $1,100 back when you could get a refurbished Core i7 MacBook for $1,100. I used it up until I started this channel. And then I started this channel with a 2015 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro. What made you decide to move to California? Fantastic question. I don't live in California, so I don't know. How old are you? I am 21. Do you plan to keep up on the channel after you graduate? Would you be happy doing this as a career like MKBHD? Absolutely, I'm going to continue uploading videos after I graduate. As far as doing it full time, I'm not sure. YouTube is very unpredictable and not very reliable, so I would be very hesitant to rely on that. So probably not. Which was your first Apple product? My first Apple product was the 4th generation iPod Touch, the one with the Retina screen and the camera on it. That was fantastic. I love that thing. How did you get into buying/selling Macs on eBay, and why did you choose to film it? Well, I've basically been filming everything that I do since I was in middle school. It just so happened that I was buying things on eBay when I was filming videos this time around. Now, for real though, the first Mac that I bought on eBay was that early 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro that I bought when I was helping my brother out. And basically, the way that it worked out was I would find something that I wanted to buy on eBay, make a video on it, and then I pretty much was relying on making money from the Macs that I was buying and fixing up at the time because I didn't really have any significant income from YouTube at that point. So I was basically making money by buying and selling eBay Macs and then filming it as well. And then eventually by 2018, by like mid 2018, I was actually able to buy stuff with YouTube money. And now YouTube is the primary funding for the videos that I make, less so than flipping Macs for profit. So that's a little bit about me, about the channel. Thank you guys so much for this unbelievable milestone. Still kind of amazing to me that this many people watch and care about the wacky adventures that I do on this channel. So big thanks to all of you guys. I'll see you all at 1,000,000. That was a dumb sentence. That doesn't mean anything. I'll see you in like a week. All right, take care. Oh yeah, follow, like, comment, subscribe, Twitter. You get the gist. I'm gonna go frame this. Well, not frame it. I'm gonna hang it. You get the idea. Okay, video over. Video ended. No, stop it. The video's over.